Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by getting focused. Sign into your Google account and open Maps on desktop or mobile so your data syncs. Once done, create a new list named for the trip and immediately add 5-10 must-see locations. This keeps the plan editable. Next, pick your start point and tap directions to lock in the main route. This first step builds the spine of your itinerary and makes it easy to add stops and timings later. Now you refine the route. Add stops with add stop and drag them to reorder. This optimizes travel time and avoids backtracking. Make sure to switch transport modes: driving, walking, transit, or biking to see realistic durations. Check live traffic and transit schedules for delays. Also use Explore and Street View to confirm opening hours and parking. These visual checks reduce surprises and help you decide which sites need time buffers versus quick visits. Finish by saving the list and sharing it with your travel group so everyone has access to the same plan. Once saved, download the offline map for the region and save directions to your phone. This prevents navigation loss if data drops. You can also export pins or print directions for backup. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache or force close maps, then reopen. Syncing issues usually resolve after a restart, and make sure you're signed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.